Hello, everyone. Good evening. How's everyone doing? My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. I want to just briefly explain the internship that I'm at. I currently work at an internship that provides services for adults and older adults ages 18 and up. We provide information and referrals, assessments, caregiving support, meals, um, dom care, um, personal care homes and boarding homes, senior centers, and older adult protective services. I'm currently interning in the caregiver support program. Within the caregiver support program, we're providing financial reimbursement and respite care to the caregiver, to the family caregiver. We also provide medical supplies and equipment, environmental modifications, and service coordination. One thing that I really enjoy when it comes to my internship is learning more about the family as a whole, as well as how to support the caregivers, because a lot of times caregivers that are within the program are dealing with family members that have dementia or other severe cognitive issues. So just being a resource and assistance to them while they're caring for their loved one is very fulfilling. One of the challenges that I face is that a lot of times the family caregivers, can't get paid to be a caregiver for their loved one. So even though they have to be out of work or um they have to be with their loved one 24/7. They can't get paid for taking care of their loved one. They can get reimbursed. The reimbursement did increase from 250 dollars monthly as the maximum to 500. But that as well offers limited resources when providing a caregiver with respite relief. Um, One thing I've learned about myself when it comes to my field placement is that uh I'm very compassionate and I really do enjoy working with the elder adult population. I have also grown to be a strong advocate for myself and really speak up for myself when it comes to what it is I want from my internship, what it is I want to learn, and just how I can develop into being a better social worker. I hope everyone has a lovely evening. Take care, and I look forward to speaking with you guys soon.